Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is abashed. It is pronounced bashed and spelt A-B-A-S-H-E-D. Think and then bashed. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent schools. Now, back to today's word. Abashed is an adjective that means embarrassed, ashamed, or nonplussed. It is often used to describe someone who feels uncomfortable or self-conscious due to their actions or circumstances. For example, you could say he was abashed when he realized he'd spilled fruit juice on his shirt. Or she felt abashed after tripping in front of her classmates. In the story of Pinocchio, Pinocchio often feels abashed after telling lies, as every time he does, his nose grows a bit longer. Synonyms for abashed include embarrassed, ashamed, mortified, and humiliated. Antonyms for abashed include unembarrassed, unashamed, and confident. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, abashed. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.